Sexy welding people from YouTube, welcome back to another video from Captain Manny. Today's video, guys, a rig tour of my rig. It's 100% ready with what I need and what I'm gonna be taking. So without further ado, let's go, let's check it out. We're gonna start with our welder. As you guys know, I have the classic 300 MP. So far so good. My personal preference, Lincoln. Next to my welder, I have 4 jack stands that I put right here. I welded a piece of metal so that jack stands can sit under. I have a video of me adding the jack stands, so if you wanna check it out, I'll put a link right here. So if you wanna see how I install these jack stands, I'll put a link right here for you guys, if just in case you guys haven't watched it. All right. Next thing we have is my toolbox, my tool chest. It's a rigid tool chest that I always have been using for a lot of years, and it's still strong and good. So I didn't buy a different one or anything like that. I raised it up and weld it. So it's not going nowhere. What I have inside here is all my grinders, all my tools, all your basic tools that you need for when you're re-welding, or at least like what I think I need and what I see. You know, a couple of squares. Obviously you need 2 grinders, one for buffing and one for grinding. I have a couple extra ones. I have my ground, my stinger, a couple hoods, gloves, welding gloves, everything related to welding that you might need, I have it here. I also have my thick torch in here just in case. Right here we have our welding leads. I'll show you right here. I have my negative, my positive welding lead. I have like 120 feet of these and 130 feet of lead of the positive. This is a flex wire, the best you can get. I have 2 extension cords. Together I think they're like 100 feet. I have my oxy-acetylene hoses right here. I think it's like 50 feet. All right. Over here, as you can see, I put my oxygen bottle. I put my oxygen bottle right here. I had to raise the box. Oxygen can sit under the box nice and neat. And for the oxygen bottle not to move, I put a piece of angle on the back to make it stop. And I put another piece of angle on the side. On this side, I put a piece of angle so it won't go that way. See how it stopped right there? It's not gonna go in that way. And right here, I welded this piece of pipe for my acetylene. So this one stop it this way. So that way it's a piece of angle and this piece of pipe welded to the bed. It's not gonna let the oxygen move. And then I put my acetylene right here, like I mentioned, on the pipe right here. I welded a piece of pipe and welded it to the bed. This little boy right here is for it's not oxygen, because obviously you have the oxygen laying down over there, the big bottle. This is argon. And this is the argon hose right here. This one, like I said, I have my TIG torch in here. It's been a while since I TIG. I haven't really. I had weld TIG before. I got paid for it. I passed the super coupon, and I'll put a video right here. TIG root 7018 all the way out. But I like welding TIG, so I had this little bottle laying around. So I said, why not? I don't better have it than need it not have it. So I have it right here ready just in case I want to do some TIG, or maybe who knows? I got layoff. I go freehand. I need to practice TIG. I already have a bottle and a TIG torch to practice a little bit, and I'm all set. Also, some re-welder jobs might want you to do some TIG. So, like me, that haven't welded in a while, I have everything set up, so I don't have to go. I don't have to go to the near welding supply and look for argon, buy a bottle. Where am I gonna put it and everything? So I have it ready just in case. Like I said, I haven't welded TIG, so I'll weld TIG. Practice, get it going. All right. Next thing we have over here, guys, is my fire extinguisher. I even put a little sign for people to see. I have this sign laying around, so I say, why not? Instead of throwing it away, put it right here. So I put some screws to the game box right here, so it's not going nowhere. But it has a latch in the middle. Release the latch and take it out. If you need it. Hopefully not, but right here I have my rollout wheel. I have a rollout wheel right here. It's very useful for when you have flanges. If you have a flange, you put in this rollout wheel. I'll probably make a video for you guys. All right, guys. Last but not least, I have my cooler right here. I welded some. Just like for this one, I put a piece of pipe, 2-inch pipe, and a piece of plate, one on the back and one on the corner, so it doesn't want to go back or fall or anything. And it's not a jetty cooler, guys, but it's pretty cool because look what I have in here. Danger, Will Robinson. Perfect. I'll be the coolest kid on the block, I'll be great. Like, helper, give me a beer. This will get you through the day, guys. Very important. All right. You open it and you go fondo. Very nice, guys. Everybody will want to be my helper with this setup I have here. See, welding people from YouTube. That was it for today's video, guys. This is my rig right here, just until I get my Cybertruck in. All right, it's in order, but it's not here yet. All right, so stay safe out there and stay tuned for another video from Captain Manny. I'll see you next time. All right, adios, amigos, salud.